Now let's talk about agents. Agents are intelligent systems that show reasoning, planning, memory, and the ability to use tools. They're able to think multiple steps ahead, use tools including working with software and systems to get something done on your behalf and under your supervision. We're announcing today a new agent development kit. It is a new open source framework that simplifies the process of building sophisticated multi-agent systems. Now you can build sophisticated Gemini-powered agents, help them use tools, do complex multi-step tasks, including reasoning or thinking. You can also discover other agents, learn their skills, and enable agents to work together while maintaining precise control. Agent Development Kit supports the Model Context Protocol, which provides a unified way for AI models to access and interact with various data sources and tools rather than requiring custom integrations for each and every one. We're also introducing a new agent-to-agent protocol that allows agents to communicate with each other regardless of the underlying model and framework they were developed with. This protocol is supported by many leading partners who share our vision to allow agents to work across the multi-agent ecosystem, and with agents built on other agent frameworks, including LangGraph and Crew AI.